The diamond microdermabrasion with ultrasonic and cold hot hammer is a powerful treatment trifecta. Before showing all the awesome features of the unit, we want to mention that if you order the unit, please hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all of the functions of the unit. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. The switch on the far right turns the vacuum on and allows you to use the diamond microdermabrasion handle. This knob adjusts the amount of vacuum suction. We recommend starting on a lower amount of suction and then raising according to client comfort. Diamond microdermabrasion helps to deeply exfoliate the skin, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth. This unit comes with 3 handles and 9 tips of varying coarseness. When you're done with the diamond microdermabrasion tool, make sure that the vacuum is turned off. Following a dermabrasion treatment, it is good to use the cold side of the hot-cold hammer to soothe the abraded skin. This button on the machine controls the hot-cold hammer. Also, make sure to toggle the switch on the hammer itself when you're ready to use it. The cold side helps to soothe the skin, and the hot side helps with product absorption. Make sure that the hammer is turned off when you're done. Finally, there are the ultrasonic handles. This unit comes with 2. One for larger areas like the face and body, and one for smaller areas like around the eyes. The buttons in this section of the machine control the ultrasonic. You turn it on with the power button. There are 2 different modes, pulse and continuous mode. This is what the continuous mode looks like. And this is the pulse mode. These buttons allow you to adjust the ultrasonic intensity. Like the vacuum suction for the diamond microdermabrasion, we recommend starting on a lower intensity and raising according to client comfort. To start the ultrasonic, simply push the start/pause button. Ultrasonic helps to exfoliate the skin, produce collagen and elastin, plump the skin, and more. When you're done with the handles, make sure the ultrasonic is turned off. There are not too many things that can go wrong with this unit. One thing that could happen is that it won't turn on even though it's plugged in. If this happens, it could mean that the fuse is bad. To check the fuse, make sure that the unit is unplugged. Then find the fuse on the back of the unit and remove it like this. If the metal inside is broken or melted, it will need to be replaced. Replace the fuse with another of the same rating. If you don't know what the fuse's rating is, you can take it to a hardware store and they can find you a replacement. Thank you for your interest in the diamond microdermabrasion with ultrasonic and cold hot hammer. If you'd like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.